Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to rotate the video from this to this in CapCut. And if this video helps you, be sure to like, subscribe. That also works on your phone. And if you didn't understand something, be sure to comment. I will reply and make a video on it, or one video tutorial on something. So yeah, enough talking. Let's get started and let's do the tutorial. So drag down the video you want to rotate. This is mirror. Yeah. Let's say I want to rotate this video here. So what you do simply is click on it, and then right click with your mouse on your phone. What you do is just scroll, and then go up till you see edit, click on it, and then you're going to see this rotate thingy, click on it. And yeah, or you can just play around here with this. As you see here, I'm just going to, let's say, leave it like this, make it a bit smaller. And yeah, this is how you rotate your video in CapCut. I hope this video helped you. Have a fantastic day. Like and subscribe.